Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cloud smoothie, so let's get started. To draw this sweet drink, let's first start by drawing a big curve across for the lip of our lid. So about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And because I'm drawing pretty big, I'm just going to drag a point across, straight across, say about right here. And so now I know where I'm going with my curve. I'm going to basically use those 2 points and draw a curve, kind of shallow towards the center, and then I'm going to go right back up. There. So now I make sure that my curve is nice and even. Then from there in this area, I'm going to curve down a little bit and come down at a slight angle. Down a little bit, slight angle. And once again, I'm just going to go ahead and follow my top curve. So this is just a lip of the lid. There. So now we have this curve in. I'm going to come about right here. In this area, I'm just going to lightly draw some lines all the way across, just to give it some texture. And notice as I go across, I'm changing the direction of my angles. So it just kind of flares out. Imagine there's a center right here and everything flares out. So towards the center is more straight and then angles across. Okay, so then from there, and then from there, let's come in a little bit, about right here and here. We're going to start to draw the body of our cup. So I'll just start on this side first. I'll bring down an angle. And just keep coming down. I'll draw this side first. We don't want to angle too much. You don't want it too narrow at the bottom. So let's just say about right here. I'm going to stop, and then from here I'm going to round it off about there. So to draw this side, to try to follow this a little bit easier, I found that what you can do is using this as your point right here, go straight up. So it's about here, right? So it's about this wide. So let's come to this side. So about that wide, about right there, same thing. And we're just going to drag this straight down just like the other side. And about right here, give yourself a point at the same area. So now you basically know this is about the same angle as the other side. So hopefully that's a good tip. And we're just going to bring this down to that point. It just makes it a lot easier when you're drawing big to try to figure out the same angle on the other side. There. And then once again, just going to round it off and connect at the bottom with a soft curve and up. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the lid. So we're just going to draw this big dome that comes up and nice and high. So say about right here towards the top, our center, and then I'm going to come right. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. I'll go ahead and erase that. So if you're using a pencil, go ahead and draw this curve right here. I should have stopped right there because I have a straw, but I'll bring this down to there. And then in this area, right in the center, I'm going to draw this little curve for the opening. So just kind of like this half oval. And then in this area is where I'm going to stick a straw. So let's say about right here. Let's stick a nice thick straw for our smoothie. Just going to continue that. And then right here, just going to bring it towards the edge, oops, of that oval. There. Okay, and then in this area right here, I'm just going to wobble some lines across. So it looks like the straw is in the smoothie. And so I'm going to come in here real quick before it confuses you and erase this line. Sorry about that. I totally forgot. I should have stopped. My whiteout's not working well. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. Then from there, let's come to the top right here, and I'm just going to wobble across just to make our smoothie nice and high and mound inside right here. and wobble my way down. So now we have it filled to the top, and then let's bring this, oh, one more detail. Right here at the bottom, I'm going to kind of about here, I'm going to give myself a point and drag this across. Whoops. Drag this across about right here. And I'm just going to follow my bottom curve and just lightly draw a curve across. So this is just a little necessary detail that I find to give our cup a little bit more support at the bottom. And I'll just put a little notch in here at the bottom. And then now to finally bring it to life. So in this area about here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And same thing right across, about right here. So I saw this cloud drink and I thought it was just the cutest thing. And I thought it'd be really cute for you to draw it for you. So hopefully I've done that today. So after 2 circles in, let's come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. And lines at the bottom. Such geniuses, right? The people who come up with these cute drinks. And curve. Okay, so now my circle's in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And in between, we're going to draw a sweet smile with a tongue that sticks out because it is definitely very yum. And cap it off. Okay, so then now to draw the best part of this drawing is the clouds, right? So I'm just going to go here and there randomly about in this area. I'll just lightly draw this little cloud, fill in the space. One here, maybe another one here. So I just want to mix it up. And maybe one over here towards the bottom. Another small one here. And a full one over here. So let's come about right here. Nice fluffy clouds. There. And oh, and let's add some heart sprinkles since I want to put some hearts. I thought that'd be really cute to add some sprinkles of hearts right here on the top of our smoothie. There, and that is pretty much it for this yummy, sweet, and very cute drink that I really hope you love, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.